Hi everyone, welcome to another PSC video. The problem we are going to discuss today is day of the week. So let's move to the description part. It's saying, given the current day and a number n, find what day it will be after n days. Okay, so current day can be any of these weekdays that you already know, Monday, Tuesday to Sunday. Okay, and n is nothing but an integer. So like it is given, if we go, I mean, if our current day is Wednesday and we count the next 8 days, and the next eighth day after the that will be Thursday. Okay, that's what this question is asking. So let's go to our solution part. Okay, so let's write the given first. One thing given is our current day, which is Wednesday. Next is the number n, which is equals to 8, and we need to find what date will be after the n days. Okay, so the app, what will be the approach? Let's just first think about it very carefully, because they are trying asking us to add 8 days and tell you what is the name of that day. Okay, but okay, let me show you. We are given a day named Wednesday. Okay, and the number n, which is an integer. So for that n, we need to add to the current day to find out what is the new day n days after the current day. That is means it's literally like this: current day plus n, or we can say Wednesday plus 8. So the addition is not possible directly, okay, because Wednesday is a name and 8 is an integer. So what do we need to do? We need to represent a Wednesday with some numbers so that we can add it to n, right? Only an integer plus integer gives an integer, right? Not a string plus integer directly. Okay, means this Wednesday should be represented by an integer, represented an integer. Okay, so what it will do? So to do so, we can put weekdays in an array and represent them by their indexes. Yeah, that's visible. So like this. Here, all the weekdays, there are 7 weekdays, okay, in a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is here. So what will be the indexes? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now we have this. Let's move on. So what will be the step 1 after this? So now in the input, we can have the current day. When we have the current day, we can find the index of current day from our array. Means we will compare the current day, like a Wednesday, in our days or day array, or can say this D named array. Okay, and find out what is the index of Wednesday. Okay, so that we have a number which represents Wednesday. Okay, index of Wednesday. Like from here, what is the index of Wednesday? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So index of Wednesday is 2. Correct? Let's see. For current day Wednesday, we get index equals to 2 from the array. Now we have the index. So what will be step 2? The addition part. So now to find what date will be after the n days, let's calculate. We have as a given day index we have found is 2, n equals to 8. So the new day index will become 8 plus 2. But now the question is why we are doing this modulus thing. This modulus is because 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. But our array have total of 7 days only. That means if we start from Monday and counting, and we reach to the 7th day Sunday, then the 8th day will be Monday again. Okay. So after the last day, it will reach to the very first day. That's why modulus. Let's say 8 modulus 7 is equals to 1. So 8th day will be Monday now because we are starting from Monday. So now it is Monday again, 1 index. Okay. If we start from 1, okay. I mean, this is the very first day. So don't just directly compare it with the index. This thing we will again reach to 1. Okay. So similarly, we have also done this. Two plus 8 equals to 10 modulus 7 will become 10 modulus 7 equals to 3. So let's see what is the 3. 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is Thursday. And our answer was also Thursday, right? So that way. So new index equals to 3 here, which is Thursday. Which form of array we can say is Thursday. And okay, let's move to the pseudocode part. This is the functional prototype. CDay means the current day. We have two parameters in our function, current day and the n, which has a given. Okay, we have made this array, created this array, day array. Okay, we have created this day array having all the days so that we can represent these days by the indexes. Okay, so now while traversing this array, we are checking which index, which day or at which index the day is equivalent to my current day given. Okay, for this I have written this here. It is saying if d of I means for I index, if my day name is equal to the current day name, then this is true and I am in this loop, and not this loop, in this if condition. Okay, and I will try to find the new day. So to do that, first I need to find the index. Okay, because that new day will also be available in this array. So first I need to find what is the index. Same thing we did from here. Yeah, current day index plus n modulus 7. Same we are doing here. Current day index we found out now I was there. Okay, so I plus n modulus 7 is my index for new day. Okay, and the d of index of new day will give me my new day, so that will be returned on. Okay, let's try on it. Current day equals to Wednesday, n equals to 8. So current day index is equals to 2. We can see that Wednesday is index 2. Okay, n equals to 8. So if I am this loop, I equals to 0, the if condition is it true or not? What is 0? Monday. My current day is Wednesday. False. Okay, then I will be incremented. Let's check at I equals to 1. D of 1. What is d of 1? It's Tuesday. Is equivalent to Wednesday? No. So again, if condition failed, now I is equals to 2. It's a Wednesday. So d of I is equals to Wednesday, and my current day given is also Wednesday. So my if condition will be true. Okay, now it is true. So I will find new day. Okay, what will be that? Because at I equals to 2, it is true. So d of 2 plus n was 8 modulus 7. Okay, there will be bracket. So what will it to become? D of 10 modulus 7. Okay, so it will become d of 10 modulus 7, which is equals to d of 3. So what is the d of 3? 3 is Thursday. Yes or no? So new day will become Thursday, and that will be returned only. To cross check that, we can do that from Wednesday. Let's count 8 more days. Okay, from here. 1 is Thursday, 2 is Friday, 3 is Saturday, 4 is Sunday, 5 is Monday, 6 is Tuesday, 7 is Wednesday, and then again 8 is Thursday, which is our answer and which is also given here in the sample output. Okay. Now about the time complexity, it's order of n only. Okay, if I write n diagonally, because n is already given in question in some other way, so I think that will be not okay. Let me put it in small n. Okay, and small n is nothing but number of week days, which is equals to 7 at max. Okay, because in this loop anyway we are going to find out which day it is given, and then we will just calculate it. That's all. Okay, but space complexity is again order of n is nothing but this. Okay, 7 only, because we are making an array of days. That's why. So that's all for this question. I hope you understood everything. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet in next class.